Okay, the last type of the interrogative sentence that is, the last type of the sentence according to the function that is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is if you look at the word interrogative. So interrogative refers to the asking. Interrogative refers to interrogate. Interrogative refers to the question. So it means interrogative sentence is most of the time used for asking the question. These questions can be from with auxiliaries, can start with auxiliaries, and these questions can start with modal verbs and also with WH questions. For example, now whenever we start our question from the auxiliaries, so at that time the answer will be yes and no. क्या होता है जब हमारे पास क्वेश्चन ऑक्सिलरी से शुरू होता है ना, so most of the time उसका आंसर क्या होता है, yes or no में होता है. What are auxiliaries? Auxiliaries are helping verbs. Okay. For example, if you look at the sentences and the examples, WH questions refer, first of all, a WH question refers to the like what, where, who, whom, etc. And the modal verbs refers to like can, could, may, might, etc. as we have studied. Okay, now here it is referred that what is, like for example, if you look at the example in the given slide, that is, what's your name? So what is your name? So now this WH question start start with this question start with WH, so that's why we call it as WH questions. So what is your name? So you don't say that yes. आप यस नहीं कह सकते इसके आंसर में, आपने पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन देना है. उसने आपसे जो पूछा आपने वो डिटेल से बयान करने. दैट माय नेम इज सदफ, दैट माय नेम इज दिस एंड दिस. ओके, इज इट योर फोन? इफ यू लुक एट दिस, द वर्ड इज हमारे पास क्या है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब है ना. सो नाउ व्हेनेवर वी यूज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब एज like for example for making the question, so at that time the answer must be yes and no. क्या होता है, अब देखिए, इज इट योर फोन, तो आंसर में क्या होगा, yes और no होगा ना. आप ये नहीं कह सकते that it was the phone is made up of this. आप फोन की डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं दे सकते. आप क्या देते हो, आप आंसर देते हो yes and no में. Okay, and if you look at the next sentence, do we have the class today? So ये भी auxiliary है ना. do को देखें, do आपके पास क्या है, auxiliary है. So now do we have the class today? So class today refers to, it means that yes, the answer will be in yes or no. So it means yes, we have the class today. We do not have the class today. ये आप कह सकते हो. Can I go? So now can is a modal verb and I used it as a question. So I say can I go? Okay, for interrogative sentence, it is necessary that you must have the question mark at the end of the sentence. आपने question mark जरूर add करना है. Without question mark, it will never be considered as a interrogative sentence, or it will never be considered as the question. Okay, and I hope you understand about all the types of the sentence according to the function. Let me summarize the today's lecture. That is, like for example, we have studied about the functional types of the sentence, and at first we have studied about assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are the simple statement. Then we talk about imperative sentences. So in imperative sentences we give command, we give order, we give advice, or it can be like the request. Then after that we studied about the like we can say the exclamatory sentences. And in exclamatory sentences we said that we discussed that it is the expression of your feelings. And then we studied about the optative sentences. In optative sentences we studied that these are the blessings, the sentences in which you express your blessing and your curses. It can be in the form of praise and it can be in the form of curses. Okay, the next thing which we studied just now, that is interrogative sentence. And interrogative sentence is the type of sentence in which you ask question, which is used for asking the question. So now it was today's lecture. If you find any difficulty, kindly ask me. Okay.